first, let's do a couple of review problems on solving equations. I've written the steps over here that sometimes people memorize. The first step is to simplify each expression on either side of the equal sign, and you can do that by distributing and adding like terms. Then you want to make sure that your x's are all on one side or the other. And then you want to undo what's been done to that x. So let's look at this first equation. 8x plus 5 equals 7x plus 5. I have two expressions here that are set equal to each other. Can either one of them be simplified? No. So I don't have to distribute or add like terms. But I do have x's on both sides. So I need to move one of the x's using an algebraic trick to get it to the other side. So I will subtract 8x from both sides. That'll move all those x's over to the right side. You could also minus 5x from both sides, which would move your x's over to the left side of the equation. 8x minus x is nothing, that's gone. So on this side I just have a 5 equals 7 minus 3x. Again, think money. 5 and negative 8. I had $5, I lost 8, now I'm 3 in the hole. Now you go to the side that has the x on it and undo what's been done to the x. So I start on this right side and I subtract 7 from both sides. Seven minus 7 is gone, so I have negative 3x. And then my last step is to undo this multiplication. Undo multiplying by negative 3. To undo multiplying by negative 3, I divide by negative 3. Negative 2 divided by negative 3 is a positive 2/3. Next problem. First, look at both of your expressions on either side of the equal sign. Is there any simplifying to be done? Yes, right here I have a negative outside of a parenthesis. It's like distributing a negative 1 times each of these two things. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. Negative 1 times negative 8 is positive 8x. Notice I didn't distribute the 7. Then on my left side, I have some like terms I can add together. The 7 and the negative 5 go together to make 2. Now, x is on both sides. Yep, I got to get rid of that. So again, I'll subtract 8x from both sides. And that will essentially move all my x's over to the right side. Now, undo what's been done to the x. Go to the side with the x on it and undo. Undo, adding 3, you subtract 3. Think money. $2 and you lost 3, you're 1 in the hole now. That's gone. And your last step is to undo the multiplying. Undo multiplying by negative 4. So you divide by negative 4 on both sides. Negative divided by negative is a positive. 1 divided by 4 is 1/4, or 0.25. X equals 1/4.